Gee.
As long as we're together, reach up. I'll take 3 of you.
So shut up, everyone.
Thank you.
I have decided to thank you for bringing peace to our home. This lovely... Oh, I couldn't, really. That's okay, I've got bigger crowd. Look at this. Jake, go, people, go.